Good morning, Pirates. This is PNN, the Pirate News Network, your weekly source for all things San Pedro High School. I'm Bernice.
And I'm Liliana. Here's the latest news.
As many families across the country face uncertainty with food assistance programs, our San Pedro community is coming together to help. ASB is hosting a campus-wide food drive to collect non-perishable items for the local families in need. Bring canned goods, pasta, rice, and other shelf-stable foods to the collection bins on both campuses, room 243 on Flagship and D103 on Olguin. Every donation, big or small, can help make a real difference. Let's show what Pirate Pride looks like by taking care of our community.
Come watch pirate dancers perform for the Fall Dance Showcase, Saturday, November 8th. In the Olguin Gym at 6 p.m., it will be a free show. Come support your favorite dancers.
The Craft Club on Olguin got into the Halloween spirit with a fun pumpkin painting event. Students showed off their creativity with colorful designs and spooky masterpieces. Let's check it out.
Hey guys, we're gonna interview some of our crafters coming in.
Oh, hi guys.
Are you excited for Craft Club today?
Yeah, I'm really excited to draw some pumpkins.
How long have you been coming to Craft Club?
Since it came from the ground up.
Hey guys, this is the president and vice president of Craft Club. Come on in.
Tour.
Here's Alexia. So today, as you guys can see, we're gonna be painting pumpkins for Halloween. We got a lot of people here already. Can't wait for more.
Here's Olivia.
Yeah.
Pumpkins. This is what I have to do. So cute. We love it. We love it.
Come on over.
Drawn so far. I hope you guys like it.
We have a great pumpkin painting started right here. Are you guys enjoying Craft Club?
Yeah. Good. Cute. I like colors. Very cute. Love it.
And then, adorable. Yes, I looked mine up on Pinterest.
Wow, mine doesn't look like that. Do you guys have any inspiration?
Flagship Campus brought the Halloween spirit to life last Friday with the costume contest during lunch. From spooky to silly to seriously creative, Pirates showed off their best looks for some festive fun. Let's check out the highlights from this year's Halloween costume contest.
Hi, I'm Bella. I'm here with.
I'm Russell.
Okay, Russell. Trick question: candy corn, yes or no?
No. My name's Nick, and I'm here with.
George Godoy.
What are you for Halloween?
I'm Light Yagami.
That's so cute. I love it so much. Who am I here with today?
With Bernice Dorado and Siglavi.
What are you guys for Halloween today?
I am the Jason. And I'm Sandy Cheeks.
What are you guys doing for Halloween today?
I'm gonna go to my grandma's house and eat Wingstop with my brother.
Ooh. And you?
And I'm gonna hang out with some cousins, watch trick or treating.
Oh, okay. I see you guys. Thank you.
Emily from the Porch Side. Henry from Porch Side.
Mr. Incredible from The Incredibles, yeah.
Henry, Mr. Incredible from The Incredibles. Let's hear it for Henry. Show off. All right. Omar, Smokey the Bear. Omar, Smokey the Bear. Let's hear it for Smokey the Bear and Omar. What do you guys think of Sierra? That was pretty good. All right. What do you guys think of Russell? Oh man, that was close too. Man. What do you guys think of Carlos? What do you guys think of Clark Kent? Okay, so our number one winner is Russell, our Wilderness Explorer, is first place. Number two is Clash Royale, Sierra, Clash Royale, and number three we have Clark Kent, Superman. There we go, and we think you're awesome as well. Okay, let's get them in their prizes.
Halloween, 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 ghosts are dancing in Halloween. Trick or treat, candy and magic fill the streets. Halloween, 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 laughter and screams, it's Halloween. Witches, zombies, hand in hand, Bears whisper, wolves howl loud. Knock on doors, join the crowd. Grab your candy, it's time to play. Halloween fun won't fade away.
The sweet smell of Halloween was in the air as our baking classes whipped up some festive fun. Students decorated spooky and creative cookies just in time for the holiday. Let's take a look at their Halloween cookie masterpieces.
Today we are in Miss Leonhart's baking class and we're going to find out what's going on in her class this week.
Hello, Pirates. Well, it is Halloween week, and so we are doing nothing but making Halloween cookies. So it's a 3-day, 3-part project to make these cookies. So today is just making the dough and rolling it out. Tomorrow we're going to cut and shape and put in the oven. And then on Friday, Halloween, we are going to decorate and see who's got the best decorated Halloween cookie.
I'm Zariah and I'm here with.
Andrew.
How is your dough coming along?
It's coming along pretty good. We just added our final ingredients.
What was the final ingredient?
Cocoa powder.
Today I'm here with
Catherine, Annalie.
And what are you guys doing right now?
We're sifting the powdered sugar for our frosting, since tomorrow we're going to be icing our cookies.
It's the third and final day, and what are we doing?
Well, kids are decorating their cookies in all the fun Halloween characters, and we got witches, we got witch's hat, we got pumpkins, we've got what else we got? Moon, spiders, kitty cats, black me.
Well, that's a wrap. Have a great weekend, and we will see you here next week.